In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make name label stickers in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, personalized label ready to use on notebooks, containers, or anything that needs a clear name tag, all made with Canva's easy tools. Start on the Canva homepage. From here, head to the templates section. This is where you'll find ready-made designs that save time and keep everything aligned and polished. In the templates search bar, type the word stickers. Canva will show a wide range of sticker layouts, from simple shapes to playful illustrations. Take a moment to browse. Look for a design that leaves enough open space for a name and matches the vibe you're going for, whether that's bold and minimal or colorful and fun. If you're printing small labels, choose designs with strong contrast and a clear area for text, so the name stays readable at a glance. Once you've found a favorite, select it and click. Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor. On the left toolbar, click Text. This brings up quick text options and lets you add new text elements that you can style however you like. Choose Add a Text box to place your first line of text. You can drag the box into position and use the handles to size it so it fits neatly inside the sticker shape without crowding the edges. Add a second text box if you want a separate line, like a short descriptor or a tiny note that complements the name. Keeping lines separate makes it easier to adjust spacing and alignment later. Now, type in the name label. Pick a font that's legible at small sizes and aim for a font weight that's not too thin. Increase the font size until it fills the space comfortably, then center it both horizontally and vertically. High contrast color combinations, like dark text on a light background, tend to print cleanly and stand out well. Use the alignment guides to keep everything straight and zoom in to check edges and spacing. If your template includes decorative elements, make sure they don't compete with the name. You can nudge text slightly with your arrow keys for precise placement. Keep an eye on line spacing if you use two text boxes, and balance the visual weight so the label feels intentional, not crowded. That's it. Your name label sticker is set. With these steps, you've used a template, added text, and tailored it for clarity and style, all within Canva's editor. Enjoy creating a whole set of labels that look consistent, professional, and uniquely yours.